Well, I try and make these at 9 Central, and that's what time it is. So, well, financials again, there's nothing going on in financials. Um, that just seems to be what's going on. I mean, went down into a key level in 10-year 23.5. One of those prices to help with bias, but then above there's also a price up at 29, and just above that at even half, and those help with bias. So, so it's almost like you take a step back from this bigger picture. This area is just kind of neutral. But 23.5 below, that's an important price. 5-year 8.75, an important price. That's where it's trading right now. Went down to 6.5 earlier. Took a little look at the 8.75, backed away from it. Now it's back at it again. But that's a key price to watch over in 5s. S&P, they took a little token look at some support at 1475. I think you start trading down below 8s and 7s. You might get a little more of a downside push, but that's kind of key down there as support in S&P. Now we just ticked off 836.25 and backing away from that. So that's still keeping some downside pressure on the market, being below 36.25. Another price up top to help with the bias, up at 64 in S&P. The way it's trading right now, it still seems to want to push to the downside. There's just layers and layers above of resistance. You guys are along, to get through this stuff won't be easy. But again, 36.25 is one of them, and 64 is another. If you move through this 09 down here, trade some 7s, then you got to think about some more downside. As far as what's down there, there's some support at 98.75 and a real key price at 82.5, 67.82.5.